What are you doing?
Well, we're gonna go with this right here. We're gonna go with these pie crusts. There's 2 crusts in there, right? We're gonna get those out. All right. I can't wait to try these. Never had them before, but that is if I get the pie crust out. Right now, this is I let this sit out so it's nice and soft, ready to rock, ready to roll. All right, and then we're just gonna go ahead and get a floury surface. All right, we're gonna drop the dough down. You can use a cutting board too, but you don't like to make things difficult. And we're gonna unravel this. All right, once we got it out like that, we're gonna grab some of this right here. All right, some cane sugar, just a little bit, ain't a whole lot. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle the pie crust like so with the cane sugar. We're gonna go with some of this right here, some regular old cinnamon. All right, get the cinnamon on there. Okay, once it looks like that, we're gonna grab a rolling pin and we're gonna gently roll the dough and roll that sugar and cinnamon like this, gently into the dough, like so. And you can use a cookie cutter, or just like me, I'm just gonna use a measuring cup, all right? We're just going to make little circles like that and get as many as you can get out of that pie crust. We're gonna grab a muffin pan, right? We're gonna grab our little pre-cutouts, all right? We're gonna set them in a non-greased muffin pan. We're just gonna do it like you'll see there. Okay, so once we got them looking like that, we're gonna go 425 degrees bake Fahrenheit until these are golden brown. So you're looking for your pie crust to be golden brown, so however long your oven takes to do it. Okay, while you're waiting for those to bake and brown up, we're gonna grab 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, right? Yep, that's what we're doing. That's what we're gonna work with here, right?
The whole milk?
Yep, the whole milk. I'm gonna go with a half cup of powdered sugar. I did 2 tablespoons of regular sugar there, and then take a lemon, get the lemon zest, and we're gonna do the lemon zest. 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. All right, and vanilla extract, it's a half teaspoon. You know, I like to just, ooh. Okay, that's a little extra right there for me. But just a half teaspoon is all you'll need. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix all of this on low until it's all combined. Okay, so once I got done mixing it, these are ready to go. Didn't take long at all, so keep an eye on them. Again, all oven times are gonna vary. Now we're gonna go ahead and just let these cool inside the muffin pan for about 15 minutes. And then we're gonna just slide on over here. Now that you got your mix all made up, we're gonna grab a large Ziploc bag, and we're just gonna go ahead and get all of this stuff right here in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna throw it in the refrigerator, not literal, but I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator until I'm ready for it. They're cool, and they're gonna look like this after roughly 15 minutes. And you notice I said non-stick, and they're not sticking, right? They're just coming right out of the muffin tin. We're gonna put them on a cooling rack like this. And we're gonna just let them cool for just a few more minutes or so. So once they've cooled all the way, and this is cold now, we're just gonna go ahead, put a little snip in it. Now, I guess this will make up to 48. That's a lot, right? But I'm making more. We're just gonna start with these. We're gonna put a little bit like this in each one, all right? A little over a tablespoon. Once I got them like that, all right, we're just gonna leave them on the cooling rack. You can put them on the plate at this point if you choose to. First thing we're gonna do, you can just, this is really all up to what you want, right? We're gonna go with some toasted, chopped pecans, however you wanna play it, right? If you don't have to, you can omit these if you don't want any kind of nuts on them, or change up the nuts, I guess. So we're gonna do that. Now I'm gonna grab some morsels, right? Some chips. These are very little baking chips, semi-sweet. We're just gonna add a couple of those on each one. All right, so once we got it like that, we're just gonna grab you can use a sifter really, but my sifter is my hand in this case. We're gonna do a little powdered sugar on top like this, all right? And would you look at that right there? Mini cannoli cups? Don't those look delicious? And you just watched how easy that was to make them. Look at that. Now that is an awesome treat. Bon appetit. Wow. Holy, wow. Them are really good. Y'all need to get out there and try these.